Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time here. And that was a misclick, of course, date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are active or not active. As you can see, the date and time, which simply means that we cannot customize them manually. It is because we are using the network provided time and time zone. And of course, we can turn them off just by tapping on both of those switchers here. And now we can freely tap on date. From this calendar we can pick the date we want to use, so for example this one, tap on OK. The same situation with the time. From this clock you can just pick the hour, the time you want to set, tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately visible on the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, and just tap on the region and here you can pick the one you'd like to set. So let me randomly pick this one. Okay, it can be Madagascar. As you can see it will be immediately set, and be aware that after changing the time zone, that time will also change according to it. We've set 12 o'clock, I believe, 12:25, and here we've got 2:25. Here we can customize the time format, so we can use local default, which will be set like on the basis of the network, so it will be set automatically, or you can do it manually, of course. We can use 24-hour format just like right now, or 12-hour format just by tapping on the switcher here, and as you can see it will be the same situation. It will immediately appear on the status bar. Of course, after this whole customization you can decide that you want to get back to previous options. No worries, you can do it, of course. Just tap on those switchers to use the time and time zone and set it automatically. So basically that's all. This is how to change date and time in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.